Welcome back to another video. So today, from the title, you know what we're preparing. We're preparing some curried goat, authentic Jamaican style. So stick around. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Remember, we post every Wednesday and Saturday, so turn on your post notification button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And you can also send in your recipes and tell us what you like us to try on the next video. So stick around and let's get right into the video. Okay, so for preparation of the curried goat, we're going to first get our seasoning or herbs and we're going to blend them. But if you want, you can go ahead and dice or chop your seasoning, but for this, I prefer to blend all the ingredients. So blend the scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, and so forth. Put them in a bullet blender and blend them. So we're just going to sprinkle the blended season onto the goat. And we also add some curry, right? And then we're going to massage the curry into the goat. This is 2 pounds of goat. Right, if you have mutton, you can also go ahead and do the same procedure for the mutton. We're just going to go ahead and massage, and the curry stain a lot, so if you want to use our gloves, you can go ahead and use it. Afterwards, we're going to burn the curry in the oil, and we're going to add the goat to the frying oil and allow it to fry for about 5 minutes or so. Afterwards, we're going to throw off some of the oil from the meat because it's too much oil, so we're just going to throw off some of the oil after we have fried the goat. This is my technique. I prefer to fry the goat first before going straight ahead into pressuring the goat. Afterwards, we're going to add enough water to immerse the meat so that it can pressure properly. So you're gonna add enough water to pressure for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after pressuring, this is how the goat is looking. So we're going to add the season to finish up the goat. So you know we have a good old Scotch bonnet pepper, we have a piece of ginger, we have carrots, scallion, sweet potato, and the Irish potato, and some thyme. So you're gonna transfer those ingredients, those season, to the pot, and we're just going to give it a stir, so you know all of that flavor from out of the seasoning when it mixed with that curried goat there. I smell the rankness in that curried goat there, man. Yes, and we give it a stir. Look at that, delicious, and it don't even finish it. Alright, so just I go stir it up and allow it to simmer down on medium flame, right? And you know when you had the Irish potato in the curried goat, it had like a thickening to it. So after simmering down for about 5 to 10 minutes, this is how it is looking, with a little rice and peas on the side, right guys? So this is very authentic Jamaican recipe that we use. We can cook this at like 9, we cook it at any like a family gathering and so forth. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Chunky pieces of goat were simmered in aromatic blended garlic, ginger, thyme, onion, and pepper. You know you cannot go wrong with the pepper. Curried goat have to be pepper. Seasoned right down to the bone and very tender. When you chew on that bone, oh my, you suck that bone, you suck out every juice, every flavor you get from the bone. And this rich and thick curried goat gravy, guys, this is one to die for. This Jamaican curried goat is a must. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're watching this video and you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. And we thank you for the support. Thank you for watching Cooking with TZ and C. Enjoy.